Now, I request Mrs. Hemalata and Mrs. Sita Lakshmi to read the annual report which will bring out all our success in this year.
அடுத்ததாக ஆண்டு அறிக்கையை வாசிக்க ஆங்கிலத்தில் திருமதி ஹேமலதா அவர்களையும் தமிழில் திருமதி சீதா லக்ஷ்மி அவர்களையும் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Good evening, everyone. Today's guest of honor for this evening, our Honorable Founder Chairman, Mr. O.N.K. Arumugam Sir, beloved correspondent CEO, Advocate Mr. Padmanabhan Sir, ever-caring trustee Mrs. Rajamani Ma'am, soft-natured trustee Dr. Mrs. Balamalliga Devi Ma'am, enduring trustee Mrs. Madaram Sindhya Ma'am, encouraging trustee Mr. K. Ashokan Sir, amiable administrative officer Mr. T. Ramesh Sir, members of trustee, members of faculty, alumni, parents, guests and my dear students. A special thanks to Mr. Namachivayam Sir, who is the senior principal of MEM Chetpat, the pillar foundation of Maharishi Schools. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the second annual day and prize giving function 2019 and 2020 of MEM School. At the outset, we pay homage to our great patriarch Maharishi Ji, whose soul continues to guide and inspire us. Our school motto, knowledge is structured in consciousness, is our guiding philosophy which propels us towards a meaningful future. The school is now making a tremendous progress under the dynamic leadership of our beloved CEO, Mr. Padmanabhan Sir, and the contribution from trustees and staffs. I am happy to present the annual report in this colorful event. Starting with the academic activities, MEM focus on the holistic development of every student with academic training at the center stage in our system, and our results do showcase this fact. As a part of our co-curricular activity, we at NVM engage our children to various competitions. Recently, our children have participated in the TCS Intelligent Quiz competition, which had various participants all over the state. We are happy to say that our children were selected for the second level with tremendous achievement. Our children from middle school has participated in the quiz competition held at SSVM World School Coimbatore on January 31st, 2020, the Hindu Tamil. This event was gave good awareness about the ISRO space organization. Our children have also participated in the quiz competition by the Hindu at Periyar University on February 2nd, 2020. Our newspaper quiz program has played a key role in the development of students' general knowledge. Next, in sports and games, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Most of the achievements of our children was read out in the sports day. Here are few more achievements by our children. National Skating Championship 2020 was organized by Tamil Nadu Students Games Association on January 25th, 2020. We are happy to share that our student ADS Dhanush Raj from grade 8 has packed up the third prize and won a bronze medal. Tamil Nadu Panchayat Yuvak Kridal Kale Association has organized a state-level championship for chess and yoga on February 1st at PSF Matriculation School, Sangagiri. Following are the winners for yoga competition. Rudra Darshana K from grade 1, Giridev G from grade 2, Darshan Adit A from grade 2, Darshan KS from grade 3, Shivani R from grade 3, Brinda D from grade 4, Akhil Bakian KS from grade 4, Nandini Devi M from grade 5 has won the gold medal. Vaishnav Surya M from grade 2, Kavishri YY from grade 4, Mohana Krishnan P from grade 5 has won the silver medal. Jenika Shri B from grade 2, Aruchelvan K from grade 4, Laksha P from grade 5, Madhumita KM from grade 5, Vivan D from grade 5, Darshwant M from grade 5 has won the silver medal. In chess, S. Syed Ishaq from grade 7 has won the first place with gold medal, and Naresh S. from grade 5 has won the second place with the bronze medal. S. Syed Anas from grade 4 has won the first place with gold medal, and Mukesh Kannan D from grade 4 has won the third place with bronze medal. Third All India level beach tennis championship was held at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh between January 31st to February 2nd. Following are the winners of the competition. Our PT sir, Mr. S. Arun Kumar has won the gold medal under 28. C.S. Ramanidharan from grade 8 has won the second place with silver medal for singles under 14 category. Our PT sir, Mr. Arun Kumar S. and Ramanidharan has won the third place with bronze medal for pairing up. Akin Vikram SK and Surya Pranav KS from grade 7 has won the third prize with bronze medal under 14 category. In community service, the best way to find you is to lose yourself in the service of others. Life's most persistent and urgent question is what you are doing for others. Yes, we have a reply for the above question. Our children from all the classes have donated various varieties of food items, stationeries and groceries which was shared with the poor and needy. Faculty development. Who dares to teach must never cease to learn. Is to go with the above saying, various teacher training programs were organized for our teachers in and out of the campus. Math and computer lab training was organized by NIT on June 8th. Karadi Path training was given to our kindergarten teachers on June 15th. Exit curriculum training was given to our kindergarten teachers on June 21st. Right West training organized by Rorito was given to all teachers on June 21st. Extra marks training was given to our primary and secondary teachers on July 2nd. Tulir and phonics training was given to our primary children on July 7th. Wordsworth English language training was given to our teachers on July 8th. Salem Sahodaya School Complex has organized a training on the concept of hubs of learning, innovative methods, and 2 teachers from our school has participated the session which was held at Jairam Public School on January 23rd. Curriculum training for 5 days was given to everyone by our source partner, Head School Chennai Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Chetpat, which was in the month of May and November. All the teachers from our school participated with more enthusiasm. Functions and celebrations. The more you celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Following are the list of celebration we at MVM enjoyed this year. Kamarajar Day was celebrated on July 15th, where our children took resolutions for the year. Krishna Jayanti was celebrated on August 23rd, where our children toddlers took flute as their takeaway. Vinayagar Chaturthi was celebrated on August 30th, where in our toddlers took Vinayaga made out of paper tumbler as takeaway. Grandparents Day was celebrated on September 21st, where each parent and child felt the parental care from each other and parents eagerly participated in various competitions. Tree saplings were given to all parents and here are the clippings for the same. Abdul Kalam's birthday was celebrated on October 15th, where our children took oath. Festival of Lights Diwali was celebrated on October 25th, where our children enjoyed bursting balloons by making an smoke-free environment. Halloween Day, Black and White Day was celebrated on October 30th, where our parents eagerly participated and enjoyed the day. Kudos to the organizing staff. On behalf of Children's Day, our kindergarten children were disguised up with different costumes and made a splendid stage performance on November 16th. Christmas celebration was celebrated on December 24th and children enjoyed the day by exchanging gifts with one another, the base of Christmas, the Christ Child game. World Food Day was celebrated on October 16th, where our kindergarten children brought variety of fruits and made fruit salad and shared among themselves. Pongal celebration was celebrated on January 12th, where our children set out with their teams and made Pongal. Infrastructure development. The school is grateful to our Honorable Chairman, Sir, who has been always ensuring the rapid acceleration in the growth of our school by providing us support to create an enviable campus infrastructure and by employing competent manpower. We are honored with the certificate of Fit India Movement authorized by our Honorable Prime Minister. Our campus will soon become completely digital in terms of running classes, assessing students, resource sharing and administration, homework, report card, library, payment. We have started converting all the classroom into digital classroom with air condition and sunglass windows. Advanced digital education will be provided to all students. It's time to conclude. A heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Founder Chairman. Special thanks to our Achay Patrams. It is none other than our trustee members, Mrs. Rajamani ma'am and Mrs. Maliga Devi ma'am. Blessed thanks to our consistent energy booster and giver, our correspondent and CEO, Mr. Padmanabhan sir, and our silent partner, Mrs. Madaram Sindhya ma'am, our encouraging pillar, Mr. Ramesh, and all the members of school managing committee for their consistent support. My deepest gratitude to all teachers for their unfalling devotion and vigilance for they who have made this a rewarding year for the whole community. I would specially like to compliment our students who in recent times have shown good discipline and set high standard. I once again thank all ladies and gentlemen for accepting our invitation and obliging us with gracious presence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.